Your front door is the very first impression of your home. And in summer 2026, it's becoming a statement. A simple wreath isn't just decoration anymore. It's a vibe, a mood, a warm welcome. Whether it's bright florals, coastal charm, or fresh greenery, the right DIY summer wreath can instantly transform your space before guests even step inside.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are summer wreaths so popular in 2026? In 2026, seasonal decorating is all about small, impactful changes. A wreath is one of the easiest ways to refresh your home without a full makeover. It adds personality, color, and seasonal charm right at your entrance. Love seasonal decor? Like this. If small changes make big impact. How can I make my wreath feel modern in 2026? Use asymmetrical designs, neutral palettes, and minimal styling. Organic shapes and intentional spacing are key trends this year. Modern style? Like this, if fresh design wins. What are the most popular summer wreath styles for 2026? Trending styles include floral garden wreaths, coastal beach themes, citrus-inspired designs, farmhouse greenery, and minimalist neutral wreaths. Each style reflects a different summer mood, from bright and playful to calm and elegant. Style chosen? Like this, if summer vibes matter. What makes a summer wreath truly stand out? It's the balance of color, texture, and personality. a wreath that reflects your style, while capturing the feeling of summer becomes a true statement piece. Feeling the vibe? Like this if it feels unforgettable. How can I create a coastal-themed wreath? Use elements like seashells, driftwood tones, soft blues, and sandy neutrals. Keep the design relaxed and minimal to reflect a beach-inspired aesthetic. Coastal vibe? Like this if beach style wins. What colors work best for summer wreaths? Bright yellows, coral, pink, white, and fresh greens dominate summer palettes. In 2026, softer tones like peach and muted pastels are also trending for a more elegant look. Palette ready? Like this if color pops. How can I make a simple floral summer wreath? Start with a base and attach clusters of flowers in sections rather than covering the entire wreath. This creates a balanced, modern look that feels light and airy instead of overcrowded. Floral wreath. Ready? Like this if blooms win. How can I make my wreath look high-end on a budget? Focus on fewer high-quality elements instead of filling every space. Strategic placement and clean design often look more expensive than overly full wreaths. Budget smart? Like this if simple luxury wins. What materials do I need for a DIY summer wreath? Basic materials include a wreath base, grapevine, foam or wire, faux flowers, greenery, ribbons, and glue. You can also add seasonal accents like shells, lemons, or wooden signs. Supplies ready? Like this, if DIY excites you. How can I make my wreath last all summer? Use high-quality faux materials and keep it protected from direct harsh weather. Storing it properly when not in use also helps maintain its look. Long-lasting decor? Like this if durability matters. Where should I hang my summer wreath? Front doors are the most common spot, but wreaths also look great on interior walls, above mantels, or even as table centerpieces. Placement ready? Like this, if styling matters. What farmhouse wreath ideas are trending? Simple greenery wreaths with eucalyptus, cotton stems, and neutral ribbons are popular. Farmhouse designs focus on calm, natural beauty rather than bold colors. Farmhouse style? Like this if simplicity wins. What size wreath looks best on a front door? Medium to large wreaths create the best visual balance without overpowering the entrance. Perfect size? Like this, if balanced design wins. Summer Wreath Ideas. In 2026 are all about creativity, simplicity, and seasonal joy. With just a few materials and a little inspiration, you can create a front door decoration that instantly elevates your home. If you want your home to feel summer ready, start at the front door, like this video, and come back for more 2026 home inspiration.